Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get local leads on Google Maps. First of all, before I get head in this tutorial, what I needed to do guys is open any kind of browser that you have on your PC. And yeah, for me, for example, I'm using Google Chrome. You can use even your application which is Google Maps. So let's talk about the local leads. What are local leads? What are the local leads in general? Local leads are like, for example, we can resume it in like couple words, which are basically local lead generation is a process of identifying potential customers in specific geographic areas, usually in proximity to the location of the business. So how we can actually get those leads from Google Maps and how we can do that. So first of all, if we went to Google Map and we opened it, so literally we will find nothing like that in it. So even if I went here, Google Maps local leads, so local leads Google Map, and we went in here, so you will not really find any information about it in the local map. So how we can find these local leads? Basically, and unfortunately, Google Maps are yet to bring this facility to download the list of data that you are or that you have been searching for. So basically, until the moment of this video that I have recorded it, there is no way to have these things. So maybe in the future they will update it and make it maybe possible, but at this moment this is not possible, unfortunately. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.